back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. It's officially fall here in Vancouver, so I'm gonna make something that is super seasonal. So I'm making udon noodles with a red Thai curry kabocha squash sauce. You can really use any type of squash here. I would recommend kabocha because it's nice and silky, or like a butternut squash. And if you don't want to use it from raw and like roast it and all that jazz, you can go ahead and use a puree from the can, or you can even use frozen to kind of save you some more time on that. But enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys like that recipe. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell at the top so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!